As soon as the land dried up after the winter, the appearance of the farmer and his team of plough horses indicated that spring had arrived.
Steady. Easy. Easy now. Go on up over that. Go on up over that.
In mid-March, the hedgerows were cut. The best way to maintain a good hedge was to lay it. The whitethorn provided the best hedge. From mid to late March, as the harsh March winds dried up the soil, the land was tilled and prepared for the sowing of corn. Shaking the corn was a job for the older man on the farm. Usually the woman of the house or one of the boys would carry the seed to the shaker in a bucket. It was usually carried in a sheet. The seed was then tilled in with the spring harrow, a wooden harrow. The job was then finished off with a roller. Sowing potatoes in the field was the first big job of the year on the farm. After the drills were made with the drill plough, then the manure was carted into the drills and scattered. If the seed potatoes were big, they were cut in slits. The slits were then spread from proshgeens. As with the corn, the boys carried the seed to the spreaders. The drills were then closed with the horse and drill plough.